Hi everyone, welcome to my channel where I share tips and tricks on how to start and grow your own print-on-demand business. In this video, I'm going to show you how to choose a niche that you love and that sells well. A niche is a specific segment of the market that has a common interest, problem, or need. But how do you find a niche that suits you and your business goals? Well, there are 3 main steps you need to follow. The first step is to brainstorm a list of topics that you're passionate about, knowledgeable about, or curious about. These could be anything from hobbies, sports, entertainment, culture, lifestyle, etc. For example, some of my interests are coffee, yoga, and cats. The second step is to check if there is enough demand for your topics in the print on-demand market. To find out if your topics have enough demand in the market, you can use Google Trends to compare their popularity. Go to the Explore tab and type in Gifts for Coffee Lovers, then add Gifts for Cat Lovers and Gifts for Yoga Lovers as comparison terms. You'll see a graph that shows how often people search for these terms over time. You can also change the region and the category to narrow down your results. Choose the topic that has the highest and most consistent interest, as this indicates a good niche to consider. The third step is to refine your niche and make it more specific and unique. This will help you stand out from the competition and attract more loyal customers. You can do this by adding a sub-niche, a twist, or a combination to your main topic. For example, instead of just targeting coffee lovers, you could target coffee lovers who also like traveling, reading, or gaming. And that's how you choose a niche for your POD business. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified of my new videos.